Hello, welcome to episode 6 of Serverless AWS Lambda playlist. I am Asif Khan and you are watching DevDynamoAk. In this episode, we will dive into how to integrate AWS Secrets Manager into Node.js Lambda functions. This is a crucial step to secure, manage sensitive data like API keys, database credential, and more. So, stay tuned as we explore the step to seamless retrieve and use secret in our serverless functions. So let's get started. So guys, I have opened my Visual Studio Code as you can see. So previously we have added the environment here and this environment has reflected in our AWS account. If I will go to AWS account now, so this is my AWS account. I will open the Lambda function. So if I will go here into any of the functions, I will go to get test get to do's or get to do's functions. Okay, and if I will navigate to bottom, see here in the configuration in environment variables we are having that value has reflected. Okay, so instead of adding this, if I will push the code into GitHub, so my code also be reflected in the GitHub, so it is not a good practice, right? So for that we will use one service of AWS, that is Secret Manager. Let's add the code related to Secret Manager in our utilities. Okay, so I will create one file here. Let its name as secrets.js file. Okay, and enter. After that, what I will do, just const AWS. Okay, is equals to, I will require here AWS SDK. Okay, next, let's come down. Const secret manager. Okay, is equals to AWS dot secret manager. Just I will call it like this function. Okay, and after that I will create here one function. This will be a sync. Okay, to fetch the data it will take some time, so that's why I was making the sync and get a secret value. Okay, and I will not pass any secret name here. I will hard code the secret name. Okay, and try and catch it. If any error occurs, we can see. So console.log, console.error and error. Okay, and that's all. Now I'll write here const data is equals to await secret manager dot get. Okay, and I will give here one secret name. Okay, so what secret name I want to keep as, so guys, this is my secret, like to do app secret. I will clear this now. So first we will define this function and we'll go to go now. Okay, so if secret string in data will return, else what we will do, just we will let buffer is equals to a new buffer data string. Okay, so that buffer data we are converting this to string and we are returning here. Okay, just so utility codes we have successfully wrote. Just what we will do, we will model dot export. Okay, like this something. Now next what I will do, I will go to my AWS account now and I will navigate and search here secret manager. Okay, and now I will click on store a new secret. Okay, and just select any name here, other type of secret manager, and I will give one key and value here. Okay, so guys, I have copy pasted the key and value of that variable for database credential. Okay, next I will click on next. Now just we have to give any secret name, so I will copy and paste the same name as we have wrote in the code. So I will go to now code. So as it is, whatever the secret ID was there, so I will copy this, okay, and I will paste in there. So if you want to write any description, you can write. I will click on next now. Okay, click on next. So cross check it once and store. So if I will go to secret manager now, you can see the, so guys, you can see here our secret manager has created successfully. I will click on this now. So if I will retrieve the values, you can see the values is here. So also in our app we have given our secret name. So I'll navigate to app. So with this name, we can able to access. Okay, why? Because I have configured AWS config here. AWS config. So with that account, my application is now attached. Okay, also when we will deploy the code, that will be the same environment. If by this secret ID, it can take the secret from the service. Okay, so here we are passing return, and wherever we want we can use. And how to use that? First will we have used in DB only, so I'll import that secrets here. Okay, so const get secrets. Okay, secret value secrets to require dot slash secrets. Okay, okay. So next, instead of taking from the environment, I will provide here. Okay, so I'll give here one condition: if not, okay, let us directly give here const. Okay, const or let secret. Okay, let secret is equals to await get secrets. Okay, so that function we have called here, and all the secrets was in that. Okay, so next what I will do, actually it was in string format. Whenever we will get the value, so I will parse into JSON. Okay, so that secrets, okay, the same secret value, because it is let, we can assign it again. So JSON, sorry, capital JSON dot parse secret. Okay, so in this our secret will be there now. So just what I will do, just here secrets. Okay, and in this secrets we will get this value. Okay, so everything is set up. Let's start our app in local. Okay, guys, if you haven't followed this playlist, you can follow. Okay, so that, so npm run. Okay, and hit enter. So you can see our app is running now. Let's test it postman now if whether our secrets are getting. So guys, now I will call the get API, http localhost tab slash get to dos, and I will set. And you can see if I will go to code now, yeah, the data has got successfully. And if I'll go to here, it is connected to MongoDB successful. What it means, we have got our secret successfully. Okay, so in this way we can implement secret manager to our application, and we can make our application secured. Okay, thank you for watching this episode on integrating AWS Secret Manager with Node.js Lambda. If you found this content helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who might benefit. Your support helps us create more valuable content for the community. See you in the next video on DevDynamoAk.